like we can't manage no more. We can't manage no more virus. Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the coronavirus. And if you guys don't know, this virus originated in China, was where they first saw the first case. Well, it was reported recently that they found a case in Jamaica, which we'll talk about because they say they didn't find a case of corona now. So let's get into the story. It says, despite the rumors, Jamaican health authorities said there is no case of coronavirus in the island. Excuse me if I'm pronouncing the word wrong. Minister of Health Dr. Christopher Tufton made the announcement at the emergency press conference on Tuesday amid panic that there was a suspected case of the illness at the University Hospital of West Indies. Out of an abundance of caution, we want to make sure that was considered, but certainly it does not fit the case definition, Tufton said. Based on evidence, there is no truth to the reports that there is a case of coronavirus in the island. Tufton confirmed, speaking at the press conference held at the Ministry of Health headquarters in New Kingston. The minister said the meeting was called as concerns were raised when a patient was transferred to the UWHI and checks were made and had a travel history to China. However, Dr. Carl Bruce, Medical Chief of Staff, UHII, says the patient did not have a fever over 38 degrees or the respiratory symptoms associated with the illness. So let's dissect what coronavirus is. It says coronaviruses are a large group of viruses that are common among animals. In rare cases, they are what scientists call zoonotic. Hope I'm pronouncing that right, meaning they can be transmitted from animals to humans. The viruses can make people sick, usually with a mild to moderate upper respiratory tract illness similar to a common cold. So the signs and symptoms of coronavirus is runny nose, headache, cough, sore throat, fever, feeling of being unwell. For those with a weakened immune system, the elderly, and the very young, there is a chance that the virus can cause a lower, much more serious respiratory tract illness like pneumonia and or bronchitis. Human coronaviruses most commonly spread from an infected person to another. They do so by coughing, close personal contact such as touching or shaking hands, touching an object or surface with the virus on it, then touching your mouth, nose, or eyes before washing your hands, rarely through fecal contamination, and that's through poop. How you can go about preventing. There are currently no vaccines available to protect you against human coronavirus infection. Transmission is reduced through, you can reduce the virus or reduce your chance of getting it, but there's no vaccine, I should say. Washing your hands often with soap and water, avoiding touching your eyes, nose, mouth with unwashed hands, avoid close contacts with people who are sick. If you are mildly sick, keep yourself hydrated, stay home and rest. If you are concerned about your symptoms, seek a healthcare provider. So that is the breakdown of coronavirus. There has been one case that was found in Canada, and there is 5 in the USA. And a lot of Jamaicans are concerned because they're saying that it's only a matter of time before it heads to Jamaica, and we need the government in Jamaica to start securing our ports to make sure there is a reduced risk of people dying. With this update saying that they actually did not find a case of coronavirus, it was just alarm that was raised, false alarm. I honestly do not believe Christopher Tufton, quite frankly, because the same thing happened with dengue. He said there was no dengue on the island, and then last year 81 people died from dengue, and it was a lot of children and a lot of elderly people. So it's very hard for me to believe the Minister of Health, seeing that he has lied in the past about other viruses on the island. So I don't know if I really believe that there is no case and it was just a false alarm. What are your thoughts on that? Do you believe him? Do you think that our ports needs to be secured and people that are visiting from China should be blocked from Jamaica, period? Don't get to come in until they've been tested and screened properly. I think that is a easy and simple solution. What are your thoughts? Also, there is about to be a race in China. Some big race. Let me check exactly what it is. So it's the World Indoors Championship that is being held in China, and they're saying that we shouldn't put our athletes' health at risk, seeing that this virus actually originated in China, and we should bar them from participating in the games unless they move the games to another country. What are your thoughts on that? Also, what are you going to do in preventing the coronavirus from hitting you and your family? What are your thoughts on barring people that are traveling to Jamaica from China to prevent the virus from getting into the island? Because honestly, we have a lot of viruses in Jamaica. We have dengue, which have killed 81 people. There was a case of malaria in Westmoreland. Chickpea, like, I don't feel like we can't manage no more. We can't manage no more virus. Okay, so what are your thoughts on those? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.